growing an extraordinary container garden. It's definitely an art. I'm excited to share with you 8 keys to having a phenomenal container garden. This is number 1, and it has 2 parts. Bigger is better, more is more. Plants are hungry, they need to eat. And if you give them a little container, there's only so many nutrients that can fit in that container. If you give them a 5-gallon bucket, if you give them a raised bed, you'll have more nutrients that will feed them much longer into the season. You'll be harvesting more abundance. Things like tomatoes are very heavy feeders, and you want to be growing them for months. And so making sure that they have the most nutrients possible is really important. What you give is what you get in your container. Don't skimp on the soil. Make sure that it's super high quality in nutrition and compost. Make sure there's not too much woody material that will tie up nitrogen as it's decomposing. You can add nutrients throughout the season, but know that in container gardening, bigger is almost always